This video explains how to use the search and search path functions in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you the very basic application of these two functions, and in the first line of code I want to show you how to apply the search function. So if we want to use the search function, we simply need to write search and open parentheses. So after running this line of code, you can see that at the bottom in the RStudio console some output is returned, and this output shows all the packages that are currently loaded in my current R session. So for instance, I have loaded the package XTS, the package labeled, the package SU, and so on. Now we can also check that by detaching one of the packages. So let's assume that we want to detach the package XTS. Then we can apply the detach function, as you can see in line 4 of the code. And now if we run the search function once again, you can see that the XTS package is not appearing anymore. So as you have seen in this first line of code, I have shown you how to use the search function to print a vector containing all the packages that are currently loaded in your RStudio session. Now we can also use the search path function, as you can see in line 6 of the code, to return the directory path of your packages. So if you run this line of code, you can see that another output is returned in the RStudio console. So for instance, you can see that the labeled package that I have currently loaded is stored in the folder Documents R WinLibrary 4.1. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.